Day 177, the end of self-improvement. I have been crucified with Christ. In him I have shared his crucifixion. It is no longer I who live, but Christ the Messiah lives in me. And the life I now live in the body, I live by faith in, by adherence to, and reliance on, and complete trust in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself up for me. Galatians 2:20. We have tried many methods to improve ourselves. More discipline, more inspiration, more self-effort. But the gospel does not offer self-improvement. It offers crucifixion. The old man does not need coaching. He needs crucifixion. He needs the cross. Sometimes the Father allows us to exhaust every attempt to fix and better ourselves, not because he is harsh, but because he is truly merciful. He is bringing us to the end of our hope in self. When self collapses, Christ emerges. You are not called to be a better version of yourself. You are called to newness of life, which means to live by the life of another. And another has a name. Jesus Christ. And when that revelation settles deeply, pride is absolutely exposed and loosened. Fear will fade, striving will quiet. You are no longer trying to survive. You were made to live in the fullness of life. You are living from him, in him, with him. Self-improvement is not necessary when you finally realize you've been made completely new and whole, sharing in the perfect life and nature of Jesus Christ himself. You were made for him.